Yeah, that's almost rolled the whole car. Almost rolled the whole car in there.
Yeah, that would have been even worse.
Wow.
So I'm surprised it stopped where it did.
Yeah, wow. We got another one for today. Sounds like where I'm headed now is a recovery out at the Dallas Discovery Center. They sent some pictures, so I saw a little bit of what I'm getting into. Looks like they went over the curb somehow, a little bit on the dirt track there, and ended up in looks like a drainage ditch on some rocks. So we're gonna pull it back up, hopefully avoid the big hole they're sitting by, and yeah, hopefully we get it pulled back up here. I'll put some of the pictures as I'm talking right now that I saw, so you guys have some idea what I'm getting into, and then I'll let you guys know when I get there. All right, we'll see you then. Usually when people call in, say that they need some kind of recovery, a lot of times what we do is we call them and have them send over some pictures of what exactly the situation is. Because a lot of times people will over-exaggerate just how bad the situation is, or sometimes they under-exaggerate how bad the situation is, and it can lead to a whole different scenario by the time you get there. So this way, when they send some pictures, we have a really good idea of what we're getting ourselves into, and send the right equipment. Alright, here we go. We're heading to the scene now. I can see the car is all kind of on the edge here. Oh, dang. Let's see here, we'll pull up a little bit and then back towards it. Basically, I want to pull it up the hill, not straight necessarily. All right, here we go. Hello. Hello. Let's see here. Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see the situation.
Yeah, that's almost rolled the whole car. Almost rolled the whole car in there.
Yeah, that would have been even worse.
Wow.
So I'm surprised it stopped where it did.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that is definitely in a big hole there. Okay, that definitely makes things a little tricky.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be too bad there. I'm gonna get two lines onto this side to get it kind of pulled back up towards the middle here.
We're right next to the freeway. I can't.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, that should be no problem. I'll get a couple lines and we'll get it pulled back towards the middle here. Then we'll get it pulled back on here. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll just get to starting here. Let's see here. I'm gonna grab those straps for now. Okay. Good thing they got some bigger spokes here. Oh shoot, I might have to use the green stripes. They're a little thinner. Hello, is this your car?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm gonna get straps through this one. These are my bigger straps. I'm gonna have to get a little narrower ones to get through. I'll get one on the front, one on the back, and we'll get it pulled right back up in the lane here. That way we're far away from that hole there. I'm sorry? Yeah, that's okay for now. Yeah, it can't hurt. I'm gonna try to pull it up that way. That way we're far away from the hole here. We don't have a whole lot of room to operate in here, but that's okay. Alright, these ones are a little bit thinner here. That way I can get them through the spokes. Sounds like he lost his dog somewhere. So hopefully he can find it. I don't think we'll need the keys for this right now anyway. In situations like this, it's almost better that it's in park. That way it doesn't try rolling itself forward or backwards when we're not expecting it to. Cool, cool. Let me adjust my camera, make sure it's facing the right way. There we go. All right. We're kind of far away, but I think it should be fine because it's not a very heavy car and these are heavy winch lines. But I think the angle should be right. It'll keep it so it won't roll down the hill. That's the big thing I'm focused on. Don't want it to roll anymore or down that big hole. Oh man, pinch my glove. There we go. Alright, this one's a little bit harder to pull on. Take a little bit longer, but we'll get it. Oh, it's my workout for the day. Oh. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Almost. All right. Get both these lines tight on here. Biggest thing we want to watch for is those rocks. I think I'm gonna pull, make sure they're both tight. And it's got a downward pull. It's the right angle. I might just lift the height up so it gets some of the weight off. But luckily it's soft dirt, so it'll come. All right, there we go. I'm gonna get both the lines tight for you real quick. Get a little bit more height here. Can't really see anything very well. Get that back one tight first. Not too tight, just enough so it's holding. There we go. And then if you want to just stand to that side just in case the cables break or anything, all right, we're good there. All right, get that back one tight first.
Start it up and turn that wheel.
If you can, if you just want to kind of steer it that way. I got it holding, so it's not going to go down anymore. That's okay. It's probably all the dirt underneath there. That's okay. It's a lot of downward weight right now. I'm gonna get that back end pulled up a little bit more to the road here. That should free up the weight on the front.
Oh yeah.
There we go. You can get the boom up a little bit higher. That'll take some of the pressure off. Get the back end over. There we go. Get the boom up high. Woo! I'll make sure where we're at here. Sweet. right, guys, we got that one out of there. If you see on the the driver's side of the car, that was a pretty steep hole that he just barely missed, and I'm actually really surprised that the car didn't roll all the way down in there. That dirt there was very, very soft. You could see when I started pulling it off, it didn't want to come up and over. It wanted to just come straight through the dirt, which just told me that it was so soft that if I would have let him go too close to that, he would have slid right back in. So I wanted to make sure he was clear enough and that he could go on his own before I took off. And luckily it came out great. He was able to drive away, no problems at all. And we avoided that giant ditch right there. Anyway, guys, if you guys hit the like button on the video, that would be great. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. And yeah, if you guys have any friends that like what I do, also share my videos. It really does help out. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.
Mm-hmm.